Are you looking for the best workbenches in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 10 best workbenches that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 10 is the Worx Pegasus Multifunction Work Table. The extremely versatile Pegasus Multifunction Work Table from Worx will be your favorite assistant when taking on projects that require you to get up and go. This handy little workbench incorporates quite a few features that you'll love. Use it as a work table that can support up to 300 pounds, or fold it into a Sawhorse that can support up to 1,000 pounds. Either way, you can lock the legs, so there's no need to worry about wobbles or sways while you work. The Pegasus is made of very strong ABS plastic reinforced with steel, so this is no flimsy workbench that will tip over when the work gets tough. Non-slip feet also help keep it in position. The table comes with 2 integrated quick clamps, so you can easily keep materials in place while you work or clamp pieces together while the glue dries. The table also includes 4 clamp dogs to assist with positioning materials or holding objects in place on the table. There's a small shelf beneath the table to hold your extra tools and supplies as well. The Pegasus weighs a mere 25 pounds and measures 32 inches high, 25 inches wide, and 31 inches deep. When folded, it's only 5 inches deep. If that's not big enough for your project, you can easily link 3 or more of these tables together. Coming in at number 9 is the Seville Classics UltraHD Rolling Workstation. Seville Classics UltraHD Rolling Workstation. If all you want is a small workbench for occasional projects, repairing appliances, making crafts, or carrying out other basic DIY projects that don't call for a lot of tools or space, then this rolling workbench from Seville Classics is a great choice. At a mere 36 inches wide by 24 inches deep by 37.5 inches high, it's not going to crowd your garage or workshop. And thanks to its 4 5-inch lockable wheels, you can easily roll it out of the way when you aren't using it, and then roll it to wherever it's most convenient when you want to get to work. Despite its compact size, the workbench can hold up to 500 pounds, so go ahead and set heavy items on it without concern. It has a heavy-duty steel frame that comes in either graphite gray or black, and is topped with a 1.5-inch thick wooden work table that's coated with polyurethane to ward off stains, scratches, and other damage. A full-length shelf stretches across the bottom, so you'll have a spot to set your tools or other supplies. Of course, you can also use this handy rolling workstation in the kitchen to serve as an at-need island or for serving drinks and other beverages. It would also be a perfect addition to a craft or sewing room, or even to use as a side table or nightstand. While basic in design, the workstation is attractive and sturdy. It does require assembly, but that's not a difficult or lengthy task. At number 8, we have the WEN Workbench. Turn even a dark garage into the ideal workshop with this 48-inch workbench from WEN that comes with a 22-inch fluorescent bulb, although you can replace it with an LED bulb to cast plenty of light over your work area. But that's not the only great feature of this steel workbench. There's also a large pegboard, so you can hang tools right at hand with any pegboard accessories you want to add on. 2 drawers for stashing other tools, a bottom shelf to hold your larger or heavier items, and a built-in power strip with 3 120-volt outlets for charging your power tools. You'll need to plug the table's 6.7-foot power cord into an outlet in your garage or workshop. The bench itself measures 47.5 inches in length, 25 inches in depth, and 35 inches in height. Including the pegboard, the full height is 61.75 inches. The bench top can hold up to 220 pounds of weight, and the shelf can support an additional 200 pounds. The 2 drawers measure 20 inches long by 17.75 inches deep by 2.5 inches high. Each drawer can hold up to 25 pounds. Keep in mind that you will need to assemble the workbench, which weighs 88.5 pounds. But once put together, this is a comprehensive and sturdy workstation that is great for both experienced DIYers with a lot of projects on their to-do list, as well as those who just like having a convenient spot to handle repairs and other projects that crop up now and then. At number 7, we have the Gladiator 8-foot adjustable height workbench. Workbenches can be quite large, and not every garage or workshop has enough open floor space to spare precious feet to fit one. If that's your situation, then you'll love this handy wall-mounted workbench from Lifetime, which folds up and out of the way when not needed. Thanks to the spring-loaded hinges, it opens and closes smoothly and easily without a lot of effort on your part. A latch keeps it securely closed when in the upright position, and it even has a loop where you can add your own padlock if you need extra security. The frame of the workbench is made from heavy-duty steel with a powder finish to resist rust or corrosion, and the work table is made from water-resistant, durable wood. It can handle up to 150 pounds, so this isn't the right choice for the most rugged DIY projects that require very heavy tools or a lot of pounding, but it's perfect for the typical repair jobs, puttering, or projects tackled by the average DIYer. To ensure its ability to hold the full weight capacity, be sure it is securely screwed into the wall studs, not drywall alone. When folded open, the back of the workbench has a handy pegboard where you can stash small hand tools like hammers, screwdriver sets, and pliers. It even comes with a bag of hooks to get you started. The work table portion is 47 inches by 23 inches. And depending on how high you choose to hang the entire workstation, can be any fixed height between 34 and 42 inches. In the open position, the entire workbench is 47 inches long and 31 inches deep. When folded up, it only has a depth of 10 inches. Coming in at number 6 is the Worx Pegasus folding work table and Sawhorse. If portability is the main factor, it's hard to beat the Worx Pegasus folding work table. With a surface area of only 5 square feet, a height of 32 inches, and a weight of just 30 pounds, it can be easily folded up and tucked in the back of a car or truck to go to the worksite. The trickiest aspect of using the Worx Pegasus is locking the clamps into the worktop, which takes a bit of getting used to. We had to squeeze the handle of each clamp and place the clamp into small recesses on the table's side to lock them in place. The Worx includes clamps and holding pegs. An interesting added feature of this product is that the surface of the workbench can be removed from the legs to serve as a sawhorse. We've tested a lot of portable work tables, and none of them fold as flat as the Pegasus. While a wooden sawhorse might carry the load, it can't be stored away or transported as conveniently as the Pegasus. Also, a piece of plywood stretched across 2 sawhorses doesn't provide a fraction of the stability and sturdiness that the Worx offers. What our tester says: in testing more than half a dozen portable workbenches, I found that no other model was as easy to set up and take down as the Pegasus. Plus, its built-in hardware pockets, handholds, and clamp storage are extremely convenient. Halfway through at number 5 is the Seville Classics UltraHD lighted workbench. The perfect table to bring an updated look and better lighting into a dark workshop. The Seville Classics UltraHD lighted workbench features 2 stainless steel drawers and a heavy-duty steel frame. It can hold a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds, and the workbench can easily be adjusted with the leveling feet at the bottom of each leg. The pegboard is fastened to the back of the workbench, providing ample space for tools to be hung, and holds a fluorescent light at the top, which illuminates the beechwood surface area. At number 4 we have the BenchPro Height Adjustable Bench FPB 2448. For light-duty garage tasks, this rather redundantly named BenchPro workbench is ideal. No, there's nothing fancy here, and the top work surface is made of 1-inch thick particle board. But the whole shebang is able to support a load capacity of up to 1,000 pounds. an impressive amount. The garage workbench legs are formed of sturdy steel, and the working surface measures 2 feet by 4 feet, a decent size. The height can be adjusted between 30 and 36 inches for various applications. Keeping things simple, you should be able to assemble this stationary workbench in about 10 minutes. Beyond all that, after more than 195 customer reviews, this BenchPro workbench has an excellent 4.7 star rating out of a possible 5. This product is also made in the USA and is backed by a 10-year, unconditional warranty. Not too shabby for a sturdy workbench priced at just $138. The third product on our list is the 2x4 Basics 90164 Workbench Kit. This simple workbench requires more effort than any of the other examples included on this list, but it's also the most affordable, and by a country mile. The Hopkins 2x4 Basics Workbench is more of a kit than a finished product. It comes with 4 legs and 6 links, but you have to provide 2x4 lumber for the rest of the structure and plywood for the top and shelves. Yes, some cutting and assembly is required for this bench, but it's all super basic. If you've determined you need a workbench, you'll almost certainly be handy enough to assemble this unit. Naturally, instructions and hardware are included in the kit. Since you kind of build this workbench yourself, you have the flexibility to make it any size you want, anywhere from 2 feet by 2 feet to 4 feet by 8 feet. How cool is that? Customers seem to love this custom workbench kit, as it currently has a 4.7 star rating. Slap Mackie, for instance, wrote in their review, "I was able to buy the lumber, cut and build this in about 3 to 4 hours. I spent the rest of the weekend staining and wiring in lights. I am very impressed with the results, very easy and simple build." Chris Verge has similar sentiments. "We had one of these benches at the company where I used to work, and I was impressed by the simplicity and sturdiness of the design. When I needed a bench at our new house, I bought one of their kits, and I am extremely pleased with the results." Second on our list is the Black+Decker Workmate 425W425A. Looking for a super versatile bench that takes up almost no space? Consider your quest complete, because the Black+Decker Workmate Project Center is the portable folding workbench for you. This multi-purpose workbench functions like a sawhorse, can clamp things vertically or horizontally, supports up to 550 pounds, and folds up to almost nothing, taking up little storage space. Black+Decker's Workmate workbench packs so much functionality into such a small bench, you almost can't believe it. This tool is highly rated and priced from just $120, so there's no excuse not to have one, or more. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bora Centipede CTC6. The Bora Centipede Ultra Portable Workbench is one of the most ingenious tools to come out in a long time. We just evaluated this bench at Roadshow, and were super impressed by its compact design and immense strength, so make sure to watch the video review. Available in several sizes and capacities, the Centipede folds up to almost nothing, yet it's practically as strong as a bridge girder. The basic 2 foot by 4 foot model weighs just 12.5 pounds, yet it can support up to 2,500. The largest Centipede offered by Bora can hold a whopping 6,000 pounds, that's 3 tons more than enough to support up to a full-size crew cab pickup truck. Another point of praise here is that basically zero assembly is required for this work table. The Centipede just unfolds with a flick of the wrist, and it's ready to go. The entry-level, 30-inch tall Centipede Ultra Portable Workbench is priced at just $100 and comes with 4 X cups that hold 2 by 4 boards for easy sawing or drilling. Plus, you get a pair of quick clamps. The folding tabletop, which makes this tool orders or magnitude more versatile, is, unfortunately, not included. Luckily, it isn't too costly, so plan on getting one if you want to maximize your Centipede experience. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.